Check Tsai out if you love smart solutions. If you've been looking for the absolute best stuff online, get ready amazed because this is a complete game changer. Everyone is talking about it lately cause it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it makes your daily routine effortless, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal before it's completely gone. Check Tsai out if you love smart solutions. If you